What if one tiny habit could completely change your life this year? If you're ready to find out what that habit is, stay with me until the end of this video because I'm going to reveal a secret that could transform your entire year. Hey friends, welcome back to Easy English Tube. Today, we're doing something a little different. We're not just learning English, we're creating real change. In this episode, I'll show you how to make this year the best year of your life. No pressure, no fake motivation, just simple, powerful steps that actually work. And of course, you'll be learning tons of natural English while you're at it. Let's go. Want a better year? Start with your mind. Most people fail because they don't believe they can grow. They want results without building the right mindset. Mindset means the way you think and view challenges. A positive mindset helps you stay motivated. Here's a fact. People with a growth mindset who believe they can learn and improve are more likely to succeed. That's not just motivation, that's science. Big goals are great, but daily progress comes from small, consistent actions. Don't try to change your life in a day. Start with tiny habits. Tiny habits means small, regular routines. Reading one page a day is a tiny habit that leads to big results. Stanford research says that even 2 minutes a day can be enough to build a lasting habit. So start small, but stay consistent. Now let's talk about goals, real goals, not wishes, not dreams, goals you can track. Goal setting means planning specific things you want to achieve. Setting goals helps you stay focused. Use the SMART method: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound. If your goal is, I want to improve my English, make it SMART. I will watch one English video every day for 10 minutes. I don't have time. We all say it, but the truth is we do. We just don't use it right. Time management means using your time wisely. Good time management reduces stress. Here's a tip. Write down 3 important tasks every morning. Not 30, just 3. If you finish them, your day is a win. Want to improve your English this year? Stop studying like it's a school subject. Start living with English. Daily English means using English in real life every day. Try to speak one English sentence every morning. Speak to yourself. Think in English. Say, I'm brushing my teeth now. I'm going outside. It feels silly at first, but it works. Some days you won't feel progress. You'll feel stuck, but that's normal. Growth is slow. Progress is often invisible. Progress means improvement, moving forward. Progress takes time, but it's always happening. Instead of saying, I can't do this, say, I'm learning to do this. Your words shape your mind. Your mind shapes your life. So, can this year be your best yet? Absolutely, if you start small, stay consistent, and believe in yourself. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and tell me in the comments, what's one tiny habit you'll start this week? Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep smiling.